Validate the application of gyroscope in aerodynamics. Introduction. What is gyroscope? The device has a spinning disc mounted on the base so that it can move freely in more than one direction, so that the orientation is maintained irrespective of the movement in the base. Working principles. The working principle of a gyroscope is based on gravity. It is explained as the product of angular momentum, which is experienced by the torque on a disc to produce a gyroscope precision in a spinning wheel. This process is termed gyroscope motion or gyroscopic force and is defined as a rotating object's tendency to maintain its orientation. We know that the rotating object possesses angular momentum which needs to be conserved. This is done because there is any change in axis of rotation. There will be a change in orientation which changes the angular momentum. Therefore, it can be told the working principle of a gyroscope is based on the conservation of angular momentum. Gyroscope in aerodynamics. Gyroscopes are used in instruments of the most general aviation aeroscopes. Examples of such instruments include attitude indicators, heading indicators, and turn coordinators. The gyroscope within the instruments are usually electrically or vacuum driven and make use of basic gyroscope principles to installation. Mechanical gyroscopes have been replaced by laser gyros. The principal characteristics of gyro which makes it suitable for use in attitude instruments is rigidity in space. A secondary gyroscope principle which must be understood and composed for a necessary is precision. Explanation of term in as follows. Rigidity of space. Attitude and heading indicators use gyros as an unchanging reference in space. That is, when the rotor is spinning, it means a constant position with respect to the horizon or the direction. The rotor of a universally mounted gyro remains in the same position, even as the surrounding circular frames or gimbals are moved. The aircraft attitude or heading can be compared to the rotor to enable the instrument to display the actual attitude or direction. Gyro instruments. The icon of the airplane provides bank and rate of turn information. At the onset of the turn, the airplane icon directly indicates bank. Once the turn is established, it indicates rate of turn. There are hatch marks at level and 2-minute turn, and also called standard rate turn. All turns in instrument finally must be standard rate. Conclusion. The article clearly shows what we are the applications of gyroscope in aerodynamics. Gyroscope plays an important role in old aircraft as well as modern one. So without gyroscope there is no aircraft in air with stability. Thank you.